Number 4 example tayo. Two numbers differ by 9. The sum of their squares is 653. What are the numbers? So, gagamit tayo ulit ng representation dito where let x be the smaller number. Okay? Siya yung smaller number natin. And yung two numbers daw ay differ by 9. So we can say that x plus 9 is the larger number. Okay? So kailangan ang difference nilang dalawa ay 9. Okay? So kahit anong gamitin natin dyan, 9 dapat ang agwat nila. So the sum of their squares is 653. So, solution tayo. Solution. And for our solution, kunin natin silang dalawa dahil sum nga daw, i-add natin silang dalawa. Sum plus x plus 9 is 653. Pero, sabi, the sum of their squares. Ibig sabihin, i-square natin sila parehas. So, squared and squared. Okay? The sum of their square is 653. Sum daw po nung dalawang nakasquare ay 653. Okay? So, simplify natin to. This will become x squared plus x plus 9 times x plus 9, the answer is x squared plus 18x plus 81 is equal to 653. Okay? Next. So, pagsamahin natin sila lahat, this will become 2x squared plus 18x plus 81 minus 653 is equal to 0. So, subtract natin tong dalawa. This will become 2x squared plus 18x minus 572 is equal to 0. So, as we can see, the given is divisible by 2. So, pwede ba natin silang paliitin? So, 2 divided by 2 natin silang lahat. X squared plus 9x minus 286 is equal to 0. So, ito na yung magiging equation natin. Next. So, since meron na tayong standard form, i-factor out na lang natin sila para mas mabilis. So, x and x. Next. So, factor ng 286 na kapag pinag-add ay 9 ang sagot. At kapag pinag-multiply ay negative 286, ang factor niya ay 22 and negative 13. 22 minus 13 is 9. 22 times negative 13 is 286. Next, equate natin to 0. X minus 13 is equal to 0. The value of x is 22 and the value of x is positive 13. Yung x natin sa kabila ay negative 22. Next, checking na tayo. Check natin, sabi kanina, x is the smaller number and x plus 9 is the larger number. Okay? So, if x is smaller number and larger number. Okay, next. If x is negative 22. Ito na yon, yung smaller number. Yung magiging larger number natin ay x plus 9. So, x is what? Negative 22 plus 9. So, the answer is negative 13. Okay? So, ganun pa rin. Tama. Negative 13. What if naman, the value of x is, if x is 13. Kanina ang ginamit natin itong negative 22, ngayon ito namang 13. So, this will become x plus 9. So, this will become 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. Okay? So, ganun pa rin naman. So, pwedeng ang maging sagot ay, the answers can be, the numbers are negative 22 and negative 13, or positive 13 and positive 22. So these are the numbers. Let's do the checking if our answers are correct. If x is negative 22 and x plus 9 is equal to negative 13, yun yung nakuha natin kanina. Apply natin dun sa sum of their squares is 653. This will become x squared plus x plus 9 squared is equal to 653. So what is the value of x? Negative 22. And added by x plus 9 is 13. Negative 13 squared is equal to 653. So 22 times 22 is 484 plus 169 is equal to 653. Next. So add natin sila. This will become 653 is equal to 653 parehas. Next, if x is equal to positive 13 and x plus 9 is 22. Okay? So let's try kung parehas pa rin sila na magiging sagot. X squared plus x plus 9 squared is equal to 653. Substitute natin yung given na value ng x, which is 13 squared plus x plus 9 is 22. 22 squared is equal to 653. So 13 squared is 169 again. And 22 squared is 484 as well. So therefore, the both given numbers are correct. Okay? So pwede nga maging numbers natin ay negative 22 and negative 13, or 13 and negative and positive 22. So these or those are the numbers.